Hey everyone, Joffer here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into the latest and greatest from Motorola, the Edge 50 Ultra. The question is this the flagship phone that can finally take on the giants? Let's find it out. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the design. I'm gonna say Motorola knocked it out of the park here. This phone is sleek, stylish, and feels super premium in hand. The back with its gradient finish called Nordic Wood, it's a real eye-catcher. It's thin and light too, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Bezels are minimal, and the under-display fingerprint sensor feels nice and responsive. Overall, a big thumbs up for the look and feel. Now for the display, we've got a gorgeous 6.7-inch POLED panel with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2500 nits. Scrolling and animations are buttery smooth, and content looks absolutely stunning. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and brightness is excellent, even in outdoors. If you're a gamer or someone who consumes a lot of media on their phone, this display won't disappoint. Plus, it's protected with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Now, with the performance-wise, the Moto Edge 50 Ultra packs a punch. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, a 4nm processor with a clock speed of octa-core 3.0 GHz, which is an absolute beast. No matter what you throw at it, this phone can handle it with ease. Multitasking is a breeze, games run flawlessly on the highest settings, and everything feels snappy and responsive. Motorola also throws in up to 16GB of RAM, plus 4GB of RAM Turbo and 1TB of internal storage, so you'll have a plenty of space for all your apps, games, and photos. Moreover, let's talk about the cameras. The Edge 50 Ultra boasts a triple camera system on the back, with a 50MP primary lens. Photos captured in good lighting conditions are incredibly detailed, with sharp focus and accurate colors. The phone also does well in low light situations thanks to its large sensor and advanced night mode processing. The 50MP ultra-wide and 64MP telephoto lenses are also capable, offering versatility for different shooting scenarios. Video recording is also impressive. You can shoot in up to 4K resolution at 30 and 60 frames per second, which is fantastic for capturing those special moments in all their glory. The 50MP front-facing camera is no slouch either, offering clear and detailed selfies and video calls. Battery life of Edge 50 Ultra is decent as well. The 4500 mAh battery should get you through a full day of moderate use on a single charge. However, heavy users might need to top up in the late afternoon. But the good news is, this phone supports 125 watts wired fast charging and 50 watts wireless, so you can get back up and running in no time. Now in terms of the software, the Edge 50 Ultra runs on a near-stock version of Android 14. This means you get a clean and bloatware-free experience with all the latest features and security updates from Google. Motorola does add a few of its own customizations, but they're mostly unobtrusive and can actually be helpful. And if you talk about the price, you can get this phone here in Dubai with a launching price tag of 3,500 dirhams. So, is the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra worth your money? Absolutely. It's a fantastic phone that offers a top-of-the-line performance, a gorgeous display, a versatile camera system, and a clean software experience. If you're looking for a powerful and feature-packed phone that won't break the bank, the Edge 50 Ultra is a great option to consider. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Moto Edge 50 Ultra 5G. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this device. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.